On November 6, 2018, the Birdville ISD community will have the opportunity to vote for governor, lieutenant governor, and other key races. In addition, on the bottom of the ballot, BISD voters will have the opportunity to vote on a bond proposal related to schools within BISD. State law requires school districts to hold an election and get permission from voters to sell bonds and to levy taxes to pay for them. Bonds are sold to fund capital improvements that last for a number of years. These improvements are too large to be included in operating budgets. Bond money can only be used for new schools and facilities, expansions and renovations including safety and security enhancements, furniture, technology, and buses. Bonds may not be used for personnel, raises, utilities, and other operating expenses. This spring, over 40 community members met to evaluate BISD facility issues like safety and security, aging facilities, renovations, and technology. Their proposal addresses safety and security upgrades for every school, including added security vestibules on 15 campuses. Rebuilding Haltom and Richland Middle Schools, Smithfield Elementary School, and a partner school with Cheney Richland Elementary Schools. By rebuilding these 5 campuses, 50 portable classrooms will be eliminated. Renovations at Smithfield Middle School include a new safety vestibule, gym/emergency storm shelter, locker rooms, and restrooms. Haltom High School will receive classroom enhancements and auditorium renovations. All 3 high schools will receive improved theater lighting. Technology upgrades will move BISD from a 5-to-1 student-to-technology ratio to a 2-to-1 student-to-technology ratio. Replace obsolete devices and fund upgrades to meet current and future instructional needs. This plan impacts every student, staff member, facility, and community served by BISD. School property tax rates will not increase as a result of this bond proposal. If the bond passes, trustees will again form a citizens committee to oversee the bond to ensure everything in the proposal is completed and within budget. BISD encourages you to get informed about the bond and get 5 friends to get out and vote. Early voting is October 22nd to November 2nd, and Election Day is Tuesday, November 6th. Learn more at BISDbond18.net.